It's called Pick's formula. All right, Pick's formula. And here's what Pick's formula says. If you have points on a coordinate plane, okay? And you can only do this when it's on a coordinate plane, okay? Because you have to be able to look at it, all right? And I'm just going to pick 4 points on here. Yeah, I'll do this one. Okay. Okay, so I have this shape here, yes? All right, there's my shape. You ready? Now, there's some other ways you can do the area, but I'm going to teach you picks right now. This is what you do. The formula says this: the outer over 2 plus the inner minus 1. Okay? Okay, what do I mean by this? What you do, the outer I call the skin, if that makes sense. So what you do is you start at a point on the skin of the shape, okay? And you put a dot on every lattice point that it crosses. A lattice point is like where 2 points cross. So this is a lattice point, that's a lattice point, that's a lattice point, right? All these are lattice points, right? All right. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on the skin and you're going to write down all the lattice points. So there's, I'm trying to change the color here. Hold on, let me change this color. All right. So there's 1, 2, 3. Now pay attention. This is where people get wrong. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, stop there. Do you understand where the purple dots came from? Any questions where the purple dots came from?
Isn't there another lattice point next to the one on the top right?
No, it's just because I drew that picture not carefully enough. So if you had drawn it carefully, you would have drawn it. It's a fat marker. It's like that, so it doesn't actually
Oh,
touch there. Yeah, that one's actually like this, right? Yeah, makes sense.
yep.
Okay, good question. Okay, so I add up those dots. How many dots is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I don't go around the shape, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if I did my math right there, there's 10 of them. 10 on the outside divided by 2 is 5. Okay? Then I do the inside dots, okay? So the inside dots are the ones inside. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I think that's all the dots on the inside. Am I missing any, guys? Am I missing any? I don't think so. All right. So plus 12 minus 1. 17 minus 1 is 16. The area is 16. And I'm pretty sure I could find out that this is 16 pretty easily. It wouldn't be that bad. Yeah, I mean, if I wanted to verify this, I could do something like this. Watch this. I could find the area of this rectangle, right, which is what, 4 by 3, so that has an area of 12. Then I could find the area of this and find the area of that, right? So I'm going to do the area of this triangle right here, and I think that's 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1. 4 times 1 over 2 is 2, so that has an area of 2. And this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 1. 4 by 1 divided by 2 is 2. So we get what? 12 plus 2 plus 2, which is the 16 that I just did. Okay. You could verify it by doing the actual breaking it up into shapes and adding the areas. You would never do that because Pick's formula is so easy to do. It's really fast. Okay. But that's the formula. Write that down. It's called Pick's formula. Outer over 2 plus inner minus 1. Okay. All right, we're going to do it again. All right. So let's see. And I'm just going to pick some points here, 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 um, here. There we go. That's my shape. Okay. Okay. All right. So here we go. Let's see. Suresh. I think I talked to you, Suresh, right?
Yes, you talked to me.
All right. Shreya, is it your turn?
I just went though.
Oh, you did? Okay. So
Yeah.
Vidhu, thank you. Vidhu, you
Yeah,
there? All right.
yeah, yeah.
All right. So we're going to start here. I'm going to change my color so we can look at it carefully. I'll do green here. Okay. We're going to start here. So that's one dot
Mm-hmm.
going clockwise. Two dots.
Clockwise. Okay,
Next one.
two. In the middle, is that a dot or no?
Yes, it is. Because if you visualize that, if you were crossing a square, you would cut through the middle, right?
Okay, yeah.
And then
Four,
there's one.
uh, five for the other intersection, six, and then the regular is seven.
Okay.
And
And
yeah,
that one.
eight, yeah.
Eight. All right. So how many do we think? Is that eight?
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Yeah, eight
So
over
eight
two,
divided by
four.
two, it's going to be four. Okay. Good job. Next person. All right. Next person. What do we do for the next one? Zeph. Now what do we do?
You find how many points are in the inner. So that's one,
One,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10. That's what I counted. Anybody count differently? That's 10 minus 1, right? 14 minus 1 is 13. The area is 13. I'm curious, anybody knew Pick's formula already? Anybody know Pick's already? All right, cool. No one knew it. All right, let's do a real baby problem. I'm going to let you do a baby problem real quick. And then we're going to do one more from the book, okay? Or from our packet. All right, so let's do an easy one. And I want you to do Pick's formula with something that you could calculate without it, yeah? All right, so let's say this is my shape, okay? So let's do Pick's formula, but this is my shape, okay? So this is my shape. So we're doing it for a rectangle, and I want you to see that Pick's formula does work. All right. So go see if you can calculate the area. This should have an area of 16. So when you do Pick's formula, you should get an area of 16. So try it, please. Shouldn't take too long, right? Right? You probably did something like that. So is that 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16? I got 16. 16 over 2 plus 3, 6, 9 minus 1. 16 over 2 is 8 plus 9 minus 1, which is 8 plus 8, which is bingo bongo 16. Anybody not get 16? Okay. All right, so there's Pick's formula. It's very useful. I would use Pick's formula when they give me a picture like this, okay? I would not use shoestring. I would not use shoestring on this problem. Because if they give me a picture like that and I can sit there and count, I'd much rather do Pick's. Pick's is faster than shoestring, okay?